Learning French is so hard, I know. Confusing grammar, difficult pronunciation. Oh my God. But let me make it easy and fun for you. I'm Made, and in this channel, we want to learn French together. If you want to learn French easily, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start the first lesson. This learning method is very challenging and keeps your mind engaged in actively learning French. I'll say a sentence in English, and you have 5 seconds to say it in French. This way, your mind learns to remember sentences in a short time. Or if you don't know it, you can learn them without forgetting. This is the first sentence. Are you ready? You have 5 seconds. Es-tu prêt? Prêt is an adjective and depends on the noun in gender and number. If tu is feminine, prête must be used. And if it's plural, you should say prête. Don't pronounce the S. Are you happy? Vous êtes content? Vous êtes content? Or, vous êtes contente? Vous êtes contente? For feminine. Are you single? Es-tu célibataire? Es-tu célibataire? Célibataire is an adjective that is common to both masculine and feminine. Are you married? Es-tu marié? Es-tu marié? Is she sad? Is she sad? Elle est triste? Elle est triste? What's your name? What's your name? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? My name is Mark. My name is Mark. Je m'appelle Marc. Je m'appelle Marc. How's it going? How's it going? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? The weather is nice. The weather is nice. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. Are you sure? Are you sure? Es-tu sûr? Es-tu sûr? Sûr. What time is it? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Il est 5 heures. Il est 5 heures. Il est 5 heures. Where are you living? Where are you living? Où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? I live in Paris. I live in Paris. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? Combien d'enfants avez-vous? Combien d'enfants avez-vous? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. J'ai 2 enfants. J'ai 2 enfants. J'ai 2 enfants. Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Avez-vous un petit ami? Avez-vous un petit ami? Avez-vous un petit ami ou petite amie? Do you have siblings? As-tu des frères et sœurs? As-tu des frères et sœurs? As-tu des frères et sœurs? I have 2 sisters and a brother. I have 2 sisters and a brother. J'ai 2 sœurs et un frère. J'ai 2 sœurs et un frère. J'ai 2 sœurs et un frère. Well done, friends. It's finished. How did it go? How many questions did you answer correct? Please comment it for me. If you like this way, please like and comment and subscribe our channel. I promise you to teach you French very easily. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.